I'll show you what's wrong with this car first, then I'll go through what's right. The first is rust, the big killer. And there's a big patch up here. And as you can see, all around the sunroof has rotted. Which is the main reason I'm selling it, because it needs to go to somebody that can look after it better than me and save it. There's a patch of rust here coming through, and the bumper mount up there, I don't know if that shows. It's gone through the last 2 MOTs like that. It's not structural, but there is a hole in the bumper mount. The second is the exhaust is rotten, but there is in the boot. A new silencer and enough flexi pipe to make a new exhaust. I was going to do it myself until I found the rust. There's a spare air filter and some fuses and a spare number plate. Second problem, or third problem should I say, is the choke doesn't work. So to start it up, if I just take my foot off the pedal, it dies. So what I do, start it up, and I sit with my foot on the accelerator for about 2 minutes. Then after 2 minutes the engine's warmed up enough to go and it's fine. And now it's ticking over happily. I'll just show you under the bonnet. You're able to hear the manifold flowing as well. Last 2 MOTs I've just put a new gasket on it and that's gone through, but really you can take it off, get the manifold refaced, and that should solve it permanently. 3.3 litre straight 6 engine. I covered the dash in this fabric because it had faded to pink from its original red. Which does reflect a bit on a sunny day like this, but you can do what you want. Here we go. Just to show you, it changes up and down through the gears nicely. Just show you that it kicks down alright. Not an amazingly fast car, but it keeps going, picks up alright, and then settles down nicely once you get as fast as you want to go. Show that the cruise control is pressed on, and then set acceleration, and then I take my foot off the pedals. As you can see, it's driving itself along nicely. Right, underneath the car, it's all quite solid. Last year on the advisory it had starting on the suspension arms. As you can see, they've got patches of rust on them.
but they're not significantly weakened. To do with the new oil sump drain plug, but there's not a lot of thread left on that one, so I don't tighten it up too tight. Now, at the other end, back axle and everything, you can see the actual body's quite solid. You can see what a sorry state the exhaust's in.